Ever wondered how to turn your crypto stash into a passive income powerhouse? Well, liquidity pools might just be your golden ticket. But why should you care? If you've got some crypto lying around, why let it just sit there? By diving into liquidity pools, you can earn more than you would from simple staking. Sounds tempting, right? But hold on, it's not all smooth sailing. There are some risks we need to talk about. Imagine you own two retail spaces. Think of them as tokens like Toncoin and USDT, and you rent them out as part of a shopping mall. Instead of earning a fixed rent, you make money from the flow of customers, earning a commission from each one. It's similar to real estate business. Your property's value can fluctuate based on the area's popularity and the varying interest in different shops. When you lease out spaces in the trading center, your income depends on foot traffic. The more exchanges, the higher your income. However, if the value of one of your properties suddenly drops compared to the other, you might face losses similar to impermanent loss, as your investment has changed in value. This is roughly how liquidity pools work. Just choose a pool, add an equal amount of both tokens, and begin earning transaction fees from the swaps. But what about supporting your favorite tokens? Adding your tokens to a pool not only makes them more available, but also supports the growth of your favorite projects. For instance, imagine you're a fan of a new band. By buying their albums, you're not just enjoying the music, you're also helping them get more studio time and exposure. Similarly, by contributing tokens like Notcoin and Ton to a liquidity pool on platforms like StonFi or DDust, you help increase the trading volume for these tokens, which supports the project's ecosystem and, yes, fills your pockets with transaction fees. Now, let's talk about risks. Ever heard of impermanent loss? Imagine if you loan out your car and it comes back with a few more miles on the odometer and a bit less value. That's similar to what happens when token prices shift significantly in your pool. If the price of one token drops sharply compared to when you deposited them, you might end up with less than if you'd simply held onto them. But if the market is stable or rises, then you're looking at a nice profit from transaction fees. Beware though, dramatic price changes can lead to losses, as the pool's algorithm tries to maintain balance between the paired tokens. To wrap up, liquidity pools are a fantastic way to support projects you believe in and can offer better returns than traditional staking, provided you manage the risks wisely. Ready to dive in and churn up some passive income with your crypto? Don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with friends. See you next time.